At some point, you're going to need to dump your black and gray tanks. This does not have to be intimidating. First thing you do, locate your dump hose in this conveniently located tube. Insert the non-collar end into the dump location, and you may need to put a rock on it to hold it in place, or if you have a friend, you can ask them to stand on it. Once you've connected the opposite end to the dump line, you're going to want to make sure that you have removed the dust cover, and you're going to use the locking collar to connect the opposite end of the hose. Once you've securely attached both ends of your dump hose, you will look for the black tank waste drain and the gray waste tank drain. You're going to always dump the black first. You do that by pulling the knife valve towards you and releasing the fluids through the tube. Oftentimes you'll be able to hear it and perhaps see the motion in the tube. Once you know that the black tank is completely drained, push the knife valve back in to close that gate, and then do the same with the gray tank. Once you know that the gray tank is empty, return the knife valve to its closed position. When you've completely dumped both your black and your gray tank, be sure to use a hose and rinse out your dump line. Once you've done that, you can unhook it from the dump port and replace it into the storage tube on the side of the van. In another video, we've discussed how you dump your black and your gray waste tanks. When necessary, you also need to flush your black tank. So once you've dumped your black tank, leave the handle in the open position. You'll then need to find the diagram on the back and match the levers to the word sanitize. Once you've done that, connect your hose to the black flush connector and make sure that it's securely fastened. Turn on your water source and let it run for 3 minutes. This will sanitize and clean out and spray the inside of your black tank. You can hear it from outside the van. Once you've done that, go ahead and remove your hose and be sure to close your black tank valve.